Hello and welcome to an introduction to the Autodesk Vault family for 2012. My name is Brian Shannon and I'm a product manager with Autodesk Vault family of products. So today we're just going to take a quick look at an introduction to Autodesk Vault. We'll talk about some of our deliveries, deliverables, expectations, Vault key themes, capabilities, and we'll finish off with a live demonstration of what is Vault. We just want to set the theme and the tone for this course and talk about the Vault, and further on we'll have some modules where we examine some new and existing features and some hands-on. So the key themes that we want to focus on here, there are really three key themes that we'll be learning about, and that's integration. And integration meaning our best-in-class CAD integrations are getting even better. We have Vault in more places than we ever have before. So it's not just for Inventor and AutoCAD verticals anymore. We have integrations to a variety of products, making Vault the central source of all the data. And closely related to that is collaboration. So by nature, Vault is a collaborative tool. If all the data is in one location, well, we know exactly where we need to go in and have secure access, and then check in anything that we need. We'll also take a look at the flexibility of Vault, taking Vault beyond just what we're seeing and some of the enhancements and the wish list items that have come to fruition, and we've taken these into user-driven improvements and enhancements to the product. We'll also take a look at how we can scale up Vault, get it to more people than just CAD users, and to the extended design team. So first, let's take a look at what Vault is all about. So the Vault family for 2012, we'll just kind of set kind of do a reset here and talk about, well, why do we have Autodesk data management? The idea here is it's data management for the work group of users. It's data management that's close to the CAD users. It is a tool that enhances and augments what they're already doing inside of CAD. Through it, it's going to allow you to find and reuse data and control that access to data and actually leverage revision management, leverage business processes that they have, and teach the Vault how they will work with data. Along the way, throughout this presentation and even the hands-on, you'll see that the administration, the configuration, and the flexibility of Vault is such that anybody can do this. We don't need to have a it's not IT heavy. When necessary, we can scale this up. It can go from Vault can go from the system and the configuration that you have on your machine all the way to a full globally replicated environment. And when it's all said and done, we can take this engineering data, we can take this workgroup engineering information and extend it beyond into other and up into an enterprise system. So depending on your needs, we have 4 levels of products. We have Vault, Vault Workgroup, Collaboration, and Professional. And the idea is to you can move up or move your customer up the stack as their needs grow. So as their complexity and their organization, as everything grows, we can move them into the product that they need. So what Vault is Vault is first of all about the best-in-class integration. So when we work within Inventor, we're going to see the ability to leverage data cards and data mapping, that whole visual data management paradigm. From inside of AutoCAD, we now have Sheet Set Manager integration. We also have integrations within 3ds Max, Navisworks, Inventor Simulation, Revit, and the list goes on. And this means that you can continue to use your products, and we're going to upgrade and basically our product is going to move up as those other products are launched. Vault by nature captures all of the history that you create. So the milestones, the versioning, and the revisioning allow you to capture all project history and go back to it at any time or run a report on it. And basically the Vault knows what, as you check in and check out, Vault is going to keep a history of all of that data, and that's very important. Vault is all about proper, secure, controlled access to data. So we eliminate this two people trying to manage the same file at the same time. It prevents the he who saves last wins. And this is going to give us the ability to automate the sign-off and the approval process, go back and audit what's inside a Vault, and again, just prevent unwanted access or unwanted changes to files. By nature, it is a centrally managed design, so it's a client-server model. So all the data that we check in, it's actually going somewhere. So it's going to go into what we call the Vault. And this allows us to centrally manage all location. And some new features that have come up inside of the Vault 2012 products, such as projects, are going to allow us to manage everything within one common single context folder. Vault is scalable, so as I mentioned, we have the ability to take everything that we're doing here and we can upgrade it. We can move this up. We can not only move up the stack, but we can move up and add other sites that will replicate the data for us and give us the ability to take Vault global. Vault contains a number of productivity tools that designers need. Renaming, batch property editing, managing file references, basically working with files, being that that reliable location that you can check in all of your files and then do some of those file management actions. That can all be done within Vault. We can automate repetitive tasks. Let Vault take on those other tasks. So creating design deliverables, leveraging the job server to perform other tasks, add a little bit of customization and automation in. Vault, being the central source of all data, also allows you to share this information with the outside world. So people outside of the circle, the design group, we have the ability to batch plot. We can send information up, for instance, to SharePoint, the web client. We have a number of ways of getting data to all people. And again, if all the data is in the Vault, then we can control the access to the data, ensuring that the right people see the right data at the right time. And integrating with upstream systems. So talking with and working with an enterprise system, Vault provides the workgroup solution, but we also can provide a deliverable that an upstream system can read. So we can provide the finished drawings, the finished bill of materials, the finished structure for an upstream system, and work hand in hand. We can also import data from those other locations as well. And that simply makes Vault, and it puts Vault right in a perfect place to be right where the work group, right where the designers and engineers need their data. We also have the ability to adapt to other unique needs. So Vault is an out-of-the-box program, but we also have an API that allows us to customize and tailor the Vault to exactly what a customer needs to do. And this, again, could be in the form of just automating repetitive tasks or adding a new piece of functionality in that a particular customer needs, or create custom views of data, etc. So let's take a look at the Autodesk Vault demonstration, and this will set the stage for what we're about to see and go through in the rest of the modules and the hands-on portion as well.